Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time, and this is the March 2023 kit called 10 Years of Growth, and isn't that just the most gorgeous box? It is indeed their 10th anniversary. So we are celebrating 10 years of growth. They've given us instructions for a bonus card. And then this is the advertisement for the next month, all the little things. So with this kit, with the 10th anniversary, we actually get 2 stamp sets. So let me just grab a piece of dark paper so that we can see what they say. So we've got, on this one, we've got Happy Spring Easter Anniversary to Call You Friend. We've got a plant pot and some leaves and some flowers. And on this one, it says, to a wonderful mother, here's another year of growth, birthday, that'll go with the happy. Some more fronds there. Sending all our love. Then we've got Mother's Day, you deserve the best, and to an incredible woman. So really good stamp sets there. Lots to say there. And we've got our instructions. Oh, and we've got our polished pink Stampin' Spot. So the instructions are in color. So it's really easy to see things and put them together. Full instructions. And inside the kit, what have we got? We've got our adhesives, we've got envelopes, and these are blank on the inside, but they've got that beautiful color on the flap. And then we've got our card bases. So we've got some gold polka dots, and we've got, it's like a shelving unit, a bookcase there. And then we've got the window as well. And then we've got our die cuts. So let's get these out. We've got 3 sheets of these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful die cuts. So let's see I'll see if I can pop one out here for you. There we go. So that is one of the dies or die cuts. And then we've got these gold happy, happy, happy. And there's so much room left on here. You know I'm going to do something with that. And then we've got these really beautiful green fronds. I'm trying to decide what color this is. It's probably mint macaroon, but I will look at the list here and see what our coordinating colors are. Coastal Cabana, Crumb Cake, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Orchid Oasis, Polished Pink, Shaded Spruce, and Gold Foil. So this is the Coastal Cabana. I'm looking, yeah, it's more like the Coastal Cabana. So anyway, that is our 10 Years of Growth paper pumpkin kit for March 2023. So stand by for those projects.